Hello guys, Mr. Davis here. Let's install Lutris today. So I just followed the instructions. So I need to add this source list for apt. Okay. And I have to remove sudo because I'm already root. And I don't have sudo anyway, so let me check. Yeah, now I have Lutris sources. And the second command creates the key. Again, no need for sudo in my case. Cool. Also check this folder, DC keyrings. Yeah, Lutris in place. So now update. And we can see, yeah, OpenSys, okay. And I think they're gonna be just install Lutris, yeah. Apt install Lutris. Okay. We have Lutris, but I think it's working. Yeah, it's working. He's doing some stuff. Yeah, so we can just do some setup, I guess. GOG. No, don't need that one. Epic Store, no. No. Ubisoft Connect, no. Steam, no. Okay, so they recommend this Wine GE. Okay, game library. I definitely don't like the folder name, like this folder here. Let's move it to, let's create some opt active Lutris. Yeah, cool. Lutris. Change Lutris games. Join and self, I guess. Do the recursive bar. Yeah, so Lutris. Good. Select a folder. Lutris. Cache. Yeah, better. So yeah, I have some G already installed from Steam. Well, for Steam, I guess. This is like Steam original, but those are like custom ones. Okay, so it seems that Lutris is installed. The next step would be install the game, some kind of game. So yeah, that's it for this video. See you guys.